Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see about a new course Android app development which I'm going to publish for free for you guys to learn Android app development. And in this course you are going to learn a lot of stuff like developing an app, writing code, designing an app because designing is essential, and marketing that app, publishing it to Google Play Store, and we are going to make a lot of apps. So stick to that course and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and like the video if you liked it. How can you get most out of this course? To get most out of this course, I recommend that you have a pen and a pencil, and a paper while watching the video. So you make down the notes, what you think is better for you to write, and if you don't understand something, watch the video again and again, and don't forget to practice every day. The official software which we are going to use here to develop Android apps is going to be Android Studio, and that Android Studio is supported by Google, and you can make develop apps by writing code in it, and it has a visual editor which you can have design apps as well, and you can test them by using emulators or your physical phone. So we will just talk about it later on, how to set up all that stuff. But now we are going to download Android Studio by clicking here, and it's around 756 MB, and I will just say download Android Studio. So it will start the download, and once it's finished, go in your download folders if you're using Windows, and just follow how you install the apps in Mac if you're using Mac. So I'm going to install. So it's saying welcome to Android Studio setup, and I will just click next and just check this Android virtual device. If you want to use the emulators and want to test your apps, just click next again, and specify the location where you want to install the software, and click next again, and Android Studio install. So it will install for you, and you can have the once it's finished, click next and start Android Studio. Click finish. It will start Android Studio, and do not import settings, and just click OK, and it will start Android Studio. It's saying that allow Google to collect anonymous usage for data Android Studio and related tools. So I don't want to send it. If you want to send, just click on send usage statistics to Google. I'll just click on don't. And it's saying, it's showing the welcome screen. It's the setup wizard for Android Studio. I'll just click next, and choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. Those who are new to Android Studio, and click next again. And you can choose the screen, the theme you want to use. I'll just have a light one now, and just click next again, and it will download all the components and SDK and JDK, everything, and we'll just click on finish. After everything is downloaded, you may see a screen like this, and this means that you have downloaded everything you need and you have installed Android Studio. So we need to configure Android Studio, and we are going to see that in another video that I'm going to make. And subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I upload a video. So we are also going to have JDK Java Development Kit installed in that video, so don't miss that video. That's important if you are going to develop Android apps. To install Android Studio on Mac, just open your browser and type in download Android Studio right there. There you go, and it's around 768 MB. I'm gonna download it, and I will just terms and conditions, and it will download Android Studio, and it will take up some time, and until then, just grab a coffee. After the download is complete, open that DMG file and it will open that, and just put that Android Studio into application folder. Scope my copying Android Studio to applications, and it will take up some time because the Android Studio is quite large. It's around 1.5 GB. Okay, Android Studio is being installed, but we are going to configure it in the next video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.